when I needed to sit down and think of what I was going to say for my speech, I was flooded by all these memories that came back that I shared with Anthony and Mallory as well. And they always seemed to have my back. They were always there for me. They helped me through a lot of tough times.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. Mallory and Anthony were two of the most caring and compassionate people that I've ever had in my life. Another thing that I noticed that they were some of the most dedicated people that I've ever met as well. Not only dedicated to their teams, their teammates, to their education in school, but most importantly to one another. Rooming with Anthony meant that I got to spend a lot of time with Mallory as well. And it seemed like anytime I was kind of having a tough day, anytime I might have been going through a rough patch, Mallory would show up. I don't know if you knew it or not. She was sensitive, like a spidey sense. I don't know what it was. She was always there to bring me some little gift or some little treat, Jelly Bellies. It always helped me bounce back and get back.
My very great pleasure to introduce you for the very first time our newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Anthony and Mallory Hoosier.
makes sense that we're all here today, gathered to celebrate their dedication to one another. So with that being said, I would love to propose a toast to Mr. and Mrs. Hoosier. May you never lose your caring and compassionate ways for one another, and may you never lose your dedication for one another.